once again I'm longing for your hungry touch. Picturing you